In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shields to GitHub. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your journey on GitHub, incorporating shields into your README files is a great way to enhance your project's visual appeal and quickly communicate key information like build status, license type, or version. Shields not only make your repository look professional, but also provide essential context about your project's health and stability at a glance. To get started, head over to shields.io. This is the perfect place to find a wide variety of badges that can reflect different aspects of your project. Take your time to browse through the options available, or use the search bar to look for a specific badge that suits your needs. For instance, you might be interested in showcasing your build status, specifying which license you're using, or displaying the current version of your project. Whatever you choose, make sure it accurately represents information that's relevant to your project. Once you've identified the badge you want, it's time to customize it by entering the appropriate details from your repository. This is an important step, as it ensures that the badge will update dynamically with your project data. For example, if you're linking to a build status badge, you'll need to provide the necessary details so it can fetch the current build state from your CI service. With your badge customized and ready to go, you have two main options for integration. You can either copy the badge URL or use the markdown code provided. The choice between these two largely depends on how you're planning to integrate it into your documentation or website. At this point, we are ready to add our badge to the README file of your GitHub repository. Navigate over to your repository on GitHub and locate the readme.md file that you want to edit. Simply click on the file to open it. Once there, look towards the upper right corner where you'll find a pencil icon, signifying edit mode. Click on this pencil to enable you to modify the contents of the file. With the readme.md file in edit mode, scroll to where you think it would be best to place your badge. Generally, it's a good idea to paste it right at the top. This ensures that the badge is visible as soon as someone opens the page, effectively communicating vital information immediately. Paste the markdown code that you copied earlier into the file. If you've opted for using the URL, make sure it's formatted correctly within a markdown image tag. Finally, once you are satisfied with the placement and appearance, make sure to save your changes. Click Commit Changes to update the readme.md file permanently. You've now successfully integrated a shield into your GitHub repository, adding both functionality and aesthetic appeal. As your project evolves, consider experimenting with different badges to reflect new achievements or shifts in focus. Keep in mind that a well-documented and visually appealing repository can set your project apart and attract more contributors or users. With these steps, you not only make your project more informative, but also more engaging. Enjoy showcasing your hard work with pride.